If you've got a Kohler toilet like this that's running, the fix is very simple. I'm going to show you how to do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have plenty more tutorials that are coming just like this one. So we take off our lid. And here we see what's going on. These don't have the old school flappers. These have a cylinder style flapper. And you can see our ring on the bottom there. That's our problem with this one. So let's shut the water off. Okay. So, ooh, that hose is nasty. First thing you want to do is grab this stem here. You're going to grab it and turn it to the right. They can be stiff sometimes. Don't worry, I didn't break it. Once you do that, you're free to pull it out. As you can see here, that's our problem. But we have another one right here. You can find these at Home Depot, anywhere like that. Super cheap. I want to say they're around $6 or $7. Kohler ring flapper. You can see the number right there. So these have a ridge in it, and all you got to do is just work your ring into there. Slide it right around. You're good to go. That's it. Now you're just going to want to throw it back in there. You can see where your slot lines up there. All right, now you have it back in the slot. You just got to grab it, turn it to the right. You're locked in. You're good to go. I'm going to show you one more thing while we're in here. If I'm working on a toilet, I like to expand the life of it. So here we have the fill valve. I'm going to throw in a Fluid Master 242. This is the washer on the top. All you do with the top of your fill valve is press. Oh, that one's a little stiff. Press down and turn it to the right. There's our washer in there. This washer just slides right out. There it is. Grab the new one. I want to show you this here. This inserts with the thinner part at the top. It goes right onto that needle. Just slide it right on there. Needle will be sticking out. Put your fill valve cap back on. Turn to the right. Make sure you're solid. You're ready to turn the water back on. All right, guys, we're filling back up here. As you can see, we're holding here. We're good to go. I like to always push this up and down a time or two just to make sure we're running well. Good to go. All right, guys, so I looked up the prices. $2.98, $7.98. So for $11, you could have your toilet running like new. Thanks for watching, and follow Dave Doc DIY for more plumbing and homeowner DIY tips.